Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the SkyQ box is powered, and on the home screen, this ensures it can receive network settings. Next, locate your router SSID and password so you can enter them without pausing. If you prefer speed and stability, plug an Ethernet cable from router LAN to the SkyQ box Ethernet port. Once done, the box should detect a wired connection automatically. If you choose wireless, move closer to the router now to reduce interference during setup. You now open Settings, then Network on the SkyQ menu to initiate configuration. This is where the box negotiates the connection and obtains an IP address. For Wi-Fi, pick your SSID and type the password exactly, because one wrong character prevents access. Alternatively, press your router's WPS button, then choose WPS on SkyQ to pair instantly. If your network needs a static IP or custom DNS for streaming, select Advanced and input the required value. Once the settings are applied, you should test by opening an online SkyQ service or pairing the SkyQ mobile app. This confirms both DNS and routing are working. If the box fails to get an IP address, make sure the Ethernet cable is seated or reboot the router and SkyQ. Power off, wait 10-15 seconds, then power on to clear temporary faults. If problems persist, record on-screen error codes and power cycle all devices for 2 minutes before contacting support. That single action resolves most connectivity glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.